in here, this is a poke right away and round this, or you could strike and you insert this and that will be locked there also, and you poke the mob here. But here, this is dagger and you round. And if you strike this, bring this in so that this is center lock. At the same time, you lock the opponent there, you know, and you poke this, you know. But in my system, the figure 8, you know, a mob one round to the left and one round to the right, you know. The movement is like this. Now, I eliminate the dagger because I use empty hand. For example, the dagger, if you strike it, this is a poke right there, and this you round that, you know, or you poke this right away. Now, I eliminate the dagger to make it more simple because I'm after more in self-defense, you know. Now, this is advanced figure 8. If the attack here, I move right away, bang, bang, and I strike there, and I will cut this in, you know, like a slice going in here towards to the left, you know, like that, and right away I lock this, and I will bring this in towards the body of the opponent so that this is locked completely. Or if I'll just take this hand also, the same here, this is locked there also, you know, that is other way to lock, you know. Now, I will show you more, one more. Look at this, and hack, hack. See, it's locked there. If I attack there, this is locked there also, the movements. That's why they called advanced figure 8. Look at my hand there right away, the finger. I could go down, and this is locked there right away. It's locked, you know. And here, if I strike this, this is locked there again. See that? Now, if I step my right foot here, this is a walking throw. See that? That's walking throw. Now, if you do this, how to inject and how to lock, there are two ways how to do. If they strike, I could do this up there and kick, cock, and lock. Or, again, I move this, go up and cock and lock. And look at this if I strike this. Once that you touch this, this is locked right away. See that? The person will be locked completely, the movements. Or you could bring the person down also, and you could strike. Or strike there. Once the hold, that is locked there also. Even in the ground, still, you could follow up the lock if you know how to do. Very simple how to do. The motion, see? See that? You lock the right away. And besides the locking technique, if I just strike like this, and you enter, and you